Good morning. Today we're going to do a demonstration on calibrating the gas detectors that we have. After that we'll do a demonstration on bump testing them. Okay, first we'll move into calibration. When you're calibrating, all these sniffers come with a manual here, a quick reference guide that shows you the steps in calibration. What we're doing here is a simple three-step process. It goes into step 4 and 5, which is resetting the values. We're not going to do that. All we do is the first 3 steps, which is calibration of the sniffer. The first step is turning on the unit, which is by pressing this button right here with the green slash on it, and then allow it to go through its self-cycling. Once it does that, and in that process, it just flashed through, it'll also tell you how many days before it needs calibration again. Okay, now we're set. Now the first step in the calibration is to press the circle and the down arrow simultaneously and hold for about 5 seconds. Detector beeps 4 times, as you see, and then the display will flash, what's that say?
Auto zero.
Auto zero.
And then the bottle.
Okay, and then at the end of that cycle it'll beep twice, which it just did, and the little bottle shows up.
The bottle should appear right there.
Okay.
Once that appears, I should hook this up. Turn this on all the way.
And then let it do its thing. I just set it down. And we'll let it do its thing until it beeps 3 times. And this process can take 5 minutes or so. Okay, those 5 beeps showing that we have calibration. We can then turn the gas off. Remove our adapter. Now we are going to allow the unit to go ahead and finish its cycling and programming. As I stated, that the book shows steps 4 and 5 to change alarm set points. We do not wish to do that. We're going to go ahead and let the unit create its own set points. This step can also take a couple of minutes. It's too shiny now. All right, then it comes up with calibration due 180 days, showing we have a successful calibration. And you are ready to use your sniffer. There you go. Okay, now we'd like to show you a simple bump test. This is pretty easy. It's just showing you that the sensors are working and the alarms are working. First thing we'll do is we'll take our spray bottle, which is a lot like our calibration gas, but instead of a regulator, it's just got a simple button. We'll hook it onto hook the adapter onto the unit. Just a little push, fill up the balloon. There it goes off, showing all our alarms are hidden. And that's all that's to a bump test. And you take this off and let the unit clear. And as you can see, the values are dropping back down to normal range. And your sniffer is once again ready for use.